Here's how to make arrows in Photoshop. So adding and making arrows in Photoshop is very simple. You can now point your audience in the right direction and just simply follow these tips and tools for crafting these digital arrowheads. So first thing you want to do is basically add a vector or arrow with a custom shape tool. So just click the shape tools from the toolbox. Then you want to choose and select the foreground color box and choose the color you want your arrow to be. Then you want to customize it. Find the custom shape tool at the top of the window and then click it. Then open the drop-down menu to the right of the shape option to view different preset arrow shapes. Then to see more options, click the gear icon at the top right of the panel and select all to view the full selection of shapes. Then you want to click and hold your mouse button. Then drag it until the arrow is as big as you want it to be. Then your arrow may not be pointing where you want it to. So to adjust this, just simply press Ctrl T or just Command T on Mac to open Transform tool, which forms a bounding box around your arrow, which will then allow you to rotate it to face the right direction. And then lastly is to press Enter to add the arrow to your image as a new layer. You can find the Shapes layer in the Layers panel, and where you can modify it individually without affecting the rest of your image. And it should look like these. You can make an arrow with lines, find more pre-made arrows in Adobe Stock, or just do hand-drawn an arrow, and you can even use a pre-made vector arrow. And that's how you can basically add and make arrows in Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.